So a lot of people think that Udio is the best AI music generator out there. And in this video, we're going to go through creating actual tracks with Udio version 1.5. So let's get started. If we go onto the Udio front page, it has this very clean, easy to use user interface. And then we can just type in something here to create a track. For this one, I'm just going to go to the create page. The first thing we'll see is we can enter the prompt. So then that would create the track. If we go into suggestions, this is some ideas that we can add in, like male vocalists. These are just some suggestions that we could do, but of course we can add in our own suggestions, such as, let's say, R&B, and then here they have some more suggestions. I'll just say R&B rap. So we have male vocalist, playful, passionate, rhythmic, R&B/rap. Then we go to the lyrics area, and in the lyrics we have three options. It's custom, it's instrumental, or it's auto-generated. So if it's custom, we create our own lyrics based on the prompt or the style of music that we want. But for this video's sake, I'm just going to auto-generate the lyrics, and then we'll click create, and we can just sit back and watch our track be generated. With Udio, when it generates a track, it generates two tracks, and you can choose whichever one you prefer. So let's just hear these tracks that we just generated. One is called Hold On To Love, and let's just hear the track.
Can't change. My heart's on fire. We could go and lose the night. No better place. Gonna make you feel so right. Slow it down and get real tight. Time to dance right through the night. Let's take it slow, feel the flow. Hold on to this moment. This love's a bit baby, and I need to know. Hold on to the love. Hold on to the love. Hold on to love, hold on to love. Here to stay. Writing stories with our moves. Can't fade away. Feel the heat and know it's true. You and I gonna make this loving night. Hold you close and squeeze you tight. Every step I feel so right. Let's take it slow, feel the flow. Hold on to this moment. This love's a bit maybe, and I need to know.
That was impressive. That was pretty good. Let's just listen to the other generation so that we can compare the different tracks, and let's hear what it sounds like.
You called me up when the sun starts to fade. We ride the waves, you know we got it made. Laughing and joking, lost in our charade. I'm feeling safe, but you drift like the shade. Is it in your eyes? Is me in your mind? Your mind when the night gets cold. I'll find you, I'll find you. Keep me in your mind. Dancing in the kitchen, midnight so alive. We talk in whispers, hearts start to collide. You judge my soul, see stars in my eyes. In this rhythm, our love's crystallized in the moonlight. keep me in your mind, your mind. When the night gets cold, I'll find you, I'll find you. Keep me in your mind. Even when the miles apart, I can feel in my heart. Don't forget where we started. This bond can't be discarded. Keep me in your mind, your mind. When the night gets cold, I'll find you, I'll find you. Keep me in your mind.
And that's just essentially a quick look at creating a track on Udio. There's still the ability for more features, such as if you want to remix a track, if you want to extend a track. So in my previous video, I just went through the song and spoke about my thoughts about this track. But in this video, I'm going to try to remix this track. I thought it was pretty decent. It's a lo-fi track and then also extend it. So let's just first try to remix this track. I'll just play a quick snippet as well, so you can just get a quick idea of what this chill lo-fi hip-hop track sounded like. So when we click on remix a track, what we'll see is we'll see the actual original prompt. So here we can get lo-fi chill hop, Japanese chill, lo-fi hip hop, instrumental hip hop, guitar, up tempo. This is basically all the prompts that the original user used when he created this. And then we can remix it by actually making changes to the prompts. For example, we can add in a male vocalist. Then we can obviously make it very different to how it sounds. I'm just going to make it different to prove how this track can be remixed to something quite different. We can also maybe add something like boom bap just to make it stand out from the original recording. And then we can also just keep the lyrics the same, but obviously one of the changes we made is we said male vocalist and not female vocalist. And then we'll just click remix so we can see what a remix version of this track sounds like.
Original by Roken 濡れた涙が消えて一つの星になって変わらない夜の中で drowning in silent tears.
Okay, so that was another remix, and just another thing to keep in mind, with Udio you can generate in different languages, whether it's Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish. There's so many different languages that you can actually use to create music, so that's just something to keep in mind. This remixing feature is quite cool. The song does kind of sound pretty different, so I think it really just depends on what it is that you're trying to do with that feature, or why it is that you're trying to remix a song. On this example, we're also just going to extend it so we can also test it some more. So this is the Tears lo-fi track. We'll keep all of the prompts the same as it was before. We'll just extend the track overall and we'll make it instrumental, and we'll keep our settings as it was before. Let's just hear what the song sounds like. So if I just think about that extension, it did sound pretty interesting. It just sounded like it took the original melody, it took the original beat, and it sort of just added onto that track. So I think that's definitely showing you what the extension feature is like. That's basically everything that we can do with the free features. Based on my experience and what this video has shown, it really shows just how powerful of a tool Udio really is, and the variety, the styles, the genres, quality of the output. It really is at such a high quality where you can create real sounding music with AI in just a few minutes. I will leave a link to Udio in the description. You can click on it and then give it a try. I recommend everyone should just try it out, even if you're not so big on this AI music. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It'll really be helpful for me. If you guys want to see anything else or something more you want to see from me, leave a comment and I'll respond to that. I make sure to respond to all the comments. And obviously I have more AI videos, so you can watch that. So I'll see you there.